It's Ryan here with Frontline Animal Removal. I want to show you a raccoon entry point. It's a little bit new, so let's check her out. Here's my trap. And here's where they're getting in. Now we see a window, and the glass is intact, and they're getting in at the window, but the window's closed. So how might these raccoons be getting in if the window's closed? And how do I know they're getting in where the window is closed? Well, this is dirty from raccoon paw prints. This is supposed to be white, but it's more charcoal because that's from raccoon paw prints. That's all dirty, and that's all dirty. So how might the raccoons be getting in where this window is? Well, they're not going through the glass. If you notice anything weird, the soffit crosses the window. It's not supposed to. But this is a newer thing added onto the older house. So let's see if I can stick my phone up there. And we can look into the soffit. See, it's all open. That's how they're getting in. I knew something was up when I looked up here and I saw corrosion of the fascia trim. Not only do we have corrosion of the fascia trim, we have raccoon fur and raccoon droppings falling out onto the roof. So that's a new one for me. Thank you.